Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by opening your Capcut project and adding the text you want read. Once your text layer is present, select it and tap Text-to-Speech to open voice options. You do this early so timing and length match your visuals. Make sure to pick a voice that fits tone and language. This affects pacing and clarity. If you need punctuation to control pauses, include commas and periods in the text now so the generated speech sounds natural. Next, you'll fine-tune the voice and timing so the speech matches your edits. Choose language and speed, slower for clarity, faster for brevity, then preview. Once done, split or trim the text-to-speech audio to align with scene cuts and on-screen text. If phrasing feels off, edit the text to add pauses or emphasize words, then regenerate the TTS. Make incremental changes and preview after each tweak to avoid redoing long sections. To finish, export your video with the resolution and audio settings you need, and confirm the TTS track plays correctly in the final file. If the voice sounds robotic or mispronounces a word, tweak the text, phonetic spelling, or added punctuation, and regenerate. Changing the voice often solves tone issues. If audio sync drifts, nudge the TTS clip by frames or adjust the clip's duration. One key tip: if export drops audio, re-render with a different bitrate.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.